Dalou here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how I set up an elegant holiday table. A lot of the things that I'm using on this table, you guys have seen them on my Thanksgiving table. So I am so excited to share this table with you and show you guys how I repurpose things and how I twist some of the things and add new things to give it a totally new look, and I am so excited about that. I love decorating for holidays, this type of holidays, should I say, this holiday season. I love decorating for this holiday season because I love bling, and I feel like around this time of the year when I'm decorating, that's the only time I have no restriction to how many blings that I can use, or I can put on my table. Although there's no restriction, your table is your table, you can always do whatever you want. But I'm so excited because I feel like I can use as much as I want, as little as I want, whatever makes me feel comfortable and makes me happy. So I am so excited about that. So let me show you guys what I'm using. So these are the placemats that I'm using. You guys have seen them on my Thanksgiving table already. They are from HomeGoods. And also this one, when you're shopping at places like HomeGoods or discount stores, it's very difficult if you're setting up a big table, 10 to 12 people to get everything. You would have to go to a department store where you can get everything. But yet again, this thing can be so expensive. So you gotta make it work and use what you can find or what you have around your house. For my chargers, of course, I'm using this one. I hope you guys can see the bling. And I'm also using this charger as well. Okay? For my champagne glass, I'm using this one. You guys have seen it on my Thanksgiving table. And also, I'm using this one. This is it's one of my favorite. Now going to my wine glasses or water, I am using this beautiful iridescent. I am in love with this glass. It's so beautiful. It's so shiny and it's like a satin finish when you hold it. It's fantastic. And of course my new baby, you guys can see the glitz and everything else that on this glass. Look how beautiful that is. So yes, this is my new baby. So yeah, that's the new one that I'm using. These are the things that I'm using on my table. Let's skip. And this is a clear plate that I got from my local Family Dollar store. So the thing is, guys, when you buying things, you're doing mix and match. It's very important when you're buying things from the dollar store or places that sell things that are less expensive, that you're buying things of quality. It doesn't matter about the price, but focus on the quality. That's what's more important. Second, this other plate that I got from HomeGoods many years ago. So right there. And my napkins, of course, I got them from HomeGoods. You got 6 for $6.99. And my napkin ring, guys, is a bracelet. So I got that from very cheap. I got it for $1 from Big Lot. So I am going to use that for my napkin ring. Look at that. I like to keep the price on them so I can remember. So that's why, guys, you see that. Look at that. So keep it very simple and put it there. Also, I wanted to bring a little zoom for lack of better word, to the napkin. So I placed these gold flowers. It's a flower that I got from Michael's. Lift up the flowers and just put it there. This is how I get it done. For my silverware, I've been using this set that I got from HomeGoods a few years ago. A lot of my things are the things that I already have at the house, so I just repurpose them. My dessert spoon over there. Actually, no. What am I doing? this one over here, and this one over there. Notice that the knife is in the inner side of the plate, and the edge is facing the plate like that. Another thing, pay attention to make sure everything is aligned, everything looks beautiful. So you just have to measure it a little bit or eyeball it. Like this is 1/2 inch, 1 inch here, 1 inch there. This is a little bit too high. 1 inch. That's how I do it. This mirror I got from Target. I got 2 of them. Each one were $14.99. Because my table is so long, I had to use 2 of them. But if you have a smaller table, you don't need to use 2. 1 should be enough because they are 48 inches each. But you can find this type of mirrors everywhere. Lowe's has similar one for only $6.99, so it's pretty good. So because I have 2 mirrors here, I needed to black the line, so I bought these trays, a beautiful tray that I bought from HomeSense, and I put it right there in the middle. Currently, HomeSense is a sister company of HomeGoods, so you can get the same thing that you get from HomeGoods at HomeSense, which was pretty good, and the pricing is very much the same. And for that tray, it was only I paid $20 for that. This water pitcher you saw last time on my video, it's from HomeGoods for only $9.99. So what I do for my floor arrangement, I bought these flowers, fake flowers from Michaels. They were $5 on sale, and I just put all the good ones together. I bent the stems to make sure that they can fit and they were not too tall. Put them like that. I still have the price on some of them because I like to keep my prices so I can remember what I bought. And I really like the silver all by itself. We'll see how it looks like on my next arrangement. Yes, so, and then this is one of the single ones, the beautiful rose. I put it in there, right there in the middle. And then I bought that crystal flower from Michaels as well. I think this one was $7 I bought. I could have used like a fabric to wrap the stems down, but I've decided not to because I don't want to do so much work. So what I did, I used those little ornaments and stick them in there. And I put some tea lights. Turn on those little tea lights. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's start with the fun part, some of the things that I have on the centerpiece. So over here I have this vase. It's crystal vase that I got from Macy's Backstage, and I think the price is still in that one. It was $29. This one here is part of the Macy's Backstage collection a couple of years ago. And then what I do, I put a little tea light. This candle holder, I got it from Macy's Backstage. And then over here I have this beautiful pineapple that I got from Macy's Backstage, and this one was $39.99, $40. There it is, guys. It is such a beautiful arrangement. It is perfect for any occasion. It is perfect for the holiday season, Christmas, New Year's Eve, or just a birthday party or engagement, whatever the occasion is. It is perfect. I am so thrilled, so over the moon with that arrangement. It is glammed at its best. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and this tablescape. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe so you can receive more wonderful tips on home decor and fashion, and I look forward to seeing you. Take care. Bye bye.